What's going on YouTube? Central Valley Sports Cards back with a sick ass video today. We got 12 packs from the LCS. There's gonna be some magic going on. Got 4 from Rookies and Stars. Love that product. A little low end, but bang for your buck. 3 Elite. And 5 certified. So they will go in this order. In attendance, we got Jeremy McNichols from my Boise State and Carlos Henderson. Pristine 10. The only pristine 10 that I own. It's noise. I believe this dude's from Auburn. It says on the back, but it doesn't matter. Let's start off with Rookies and Stars. The Garoppolo hype is real. This is a thick one right here. Scheisse. It's a redemption. Tyler Newman, Shaq Evans, ODB, Marion Grice. I'm gonna wait for the end. I'm gonna leave that there for the suspense. I hope that's a Jimmy G or Manzo. JJ Watt. Eric Decker. And Ryan Tannehill. Jeez, I want to flip that over. I wasn't expecting that at all. Kendall Wright. Percy Harvin. Trent Richardson's Crusade. Noise. Bruce Ellington. Jason Verrett. Jason Morrow. Devontae Freeman rookie. And Darquise Denard. These cards are basic, but I like the inserts. And there's 4 hits in here. And got one. Not bad. We got Drew Brees, Julio Jones, Jordy Nelson is now a Raider. Should be pretty exciting to see. Robert Quinn, Pro Bowl. Deion Buchanan, Cyril Richardson, Calvin Pryor, Brandon Cooks. That's a nice rookie card. I'll take it. Last Rookie and Stars. Oh, that's like a crazy shine. That's Cordell Patterson. Alfred Morris. Eli Manning. Filler. Davion Clowney, nice rookie. Bruce Ellington. Michael Sam. Fucking shame. How the hell did he not let the 2013 SEC Defensive Player of the Year play because of his sexual orientation? Ridiculous. Lewis Nix. I mean, it's not like these dudes slap ass anyway, you know what I'm saying? You guys let a monster just rot away. Cowboys gave him a shot. It was on the practice squad. And I actually own a dual relic auto of National Treasures of his, which I will feature in one of my videos because that's bullcrap. How you not let a player like that just blossom in the NFL? It is what it is. And then we got people who like talk crap on Colin Kaepernick, which, I mean, this is the land of the free, right? Dude can say what he pleases. Doesn't bother me any. Zeke Elliott. T.Y. to 9.99. Dylan Canto for the Chargers. Who's these? Marquise Goodwin, who just burned Richard Sherman in practice. Dude better get used to man-to-man coverage. I mean, Legion of Boom, they played zone, so he didn't really have to do that as much when he had all that help in the backfield. That shit ain't gonna happen with the 49ers. They need to step it up. You got someone like Goodwin burning you. I mean, he was decent with the Bills. We got Kareem Hunt, This guy's gonna maintain beast mode. Luke Kuechly. Tidal Waves, the original TB12. These are not numbered, but nice cards. Landon Collins, Antonio Brown. Jordan Howard, Tyreek Hill, another filler. Dang it! I was hoping we hit in this. It's $9.99. Dante Jackson, ODB, and Michael Thomas. That's it for certified. We got some numbers, which isn't bad. I mean, elite now to certified. These are good odds. There's only 10 packs, 4 hits. Jimmy G. Randall Cobb. Oh. Put you in the bag. We got a hit. Leonard Fournette. Oh, Randall Cobb, Leonard Fournette. Certified Diamonds, Terrell Davis. And our hit is... Oof. We got the RPA. Chunky. 3-color patch of Mason. To $199. That is not bad. Not bad at all. Oh no. Jeremy. Pack numero dos. We got Antonio Brown. And there's another hit. Hell yeah. 2 of the 4 out of the first 2 packs. To $9.99, Joshua Jackson. Certified seal of approval, Melvin Gordon. Drew Brizzle. And it is Kyle Lauletta from the Giants. To $3.99. Not bad. We got some background noise going on over there. And we got Aaron Rodgers, Deshaun Watson, Odell Beckham. This is an auto. Nope, it's not an auto. This is a numbered card. To $4.99 for the Pats. It's certified diamonds, Telvin Smith. All right, let's wrap this up. Carson Wentz. Who the heck is this? Oh, Isaiah Corral. That brightness is ridiculous. TY, another filler. Certified diamonds. Oh, Immortals. Bruce Matthews and Dante Hightower. Last pack. And we already got 3 hits total, so that's not bad. Kyle Lauletta and Mason. Got a little QB showdown. And this is Jimmy G, of course. I'm not sure. It's a redemption, so I don't mind. J.J. Boise State. Can't stand. DeMarcus Lawrence. Delaney Walker. Filler. And, that was an autograph. Randall Cobb. To $4.99. And Gold Team's Tom Brady. All right. Let's see what this bad boy is. All right, let's do this. 2014 Panini Rookie Stars. Materials Longevity Team Logo Platinum. Oh crap, that's a short print. I think those are numbered to 5. 96 point. Oh, Logo Platinum Signatures. Card number 9. Colin Kaepernick. I don't mind that at all. At all. I will take that all day. Heck yeah. 12 packs, 3 hits, QB showdown. We got a sick chunky Mason Rudolph to 199, 3-color patch. And we got a relic of Kyle Laletta to 399. And we got numbered to 5, Colin Kaepernick, Materials Longevity Team Logo Platinum Signatures. Sick as F. That was a pretty good video, guys. Not gonna lie. I love these random packs. Always hit. There's no one time I don't. And really quick, guys, I'm almost to 100 subscribers. I mean, pretty big deal. Been doing this for a while. But I will be giving away a redemption, not Colin. I'll be doing a redemption giveaway along with an RPA to someone. So if you guys can like, comment, subscribe, and get some more people to follow once we get to 100. You guys will not have to make a response video. I've had that done before, which is pretty cool. You guys want to check out my videos. But this one will be pretty quick. For the 100 subscribers, I'll just go ahead and random everybody's name. Once we get to there, we are 91 right now, so really appreciate everyone who takes the time to watch me open packs, just like I do with everybody else. I mean, it's the hobby's fun. You get to watch everybody else get different stuff. And to the one person who messaged me about the Ronald Jones II, that card is up for trade. I still haven't got a message from you. We can work something out, dude. Just message me. Alright, guys. That was it for this video. Appreciate you. Peace.